Autophagy translates from Greek to self-eating. It sounds like a horrific disease, but it is actually biology's hidden mechanism for keeping us young. Think of yourselves like a house. Just by living in it, cooking, moving around, doing the daily chores, you naturally generate trash. On a microscopic level, that debris takes the form of broken proteins, exhausted mitochondria, and even dormant viruses that linger in the cellular background. If you never bag up that waste and haul it to the curb, the house eventually becomes so cluttered and toxic that you can no longer live inside it. For most of human history, food scarcity naturally forced us to clear out this clutter. Today, a culture of continuous, around-the-clock snacking has jammed the system. When we graze from morning until midnight, the body is forced to perpetually process incoming nutrients. The digestive engine never powers down. Without a break, the cellular trash piles up unchecked. The resulting backlog triggers a persistent state of chronic inflammation across the entire system. That sustained inflammation drives the physical deterioration we recognize as accelerated aging, affecting everything from joint stiffness to cognitive decline. Modern dietary abundance has paradoxically locked our biology into a permanent state of consumption, entirely blocking our capacity to heal. This diagram illustrates your body's operating system as a strict toggle switch. It can only exist in one of two competing states. The first state is mTOR, the growth signal. It activates forcefully the moment we consume calories, especially carbohydrates and proteins. The opposing state is AMPK, the repair signal. This pathway only turns on when external energy input drops to near zero. To flip the switch from growth to repair, your insulin levels must plummet and stay completely flat for a sustained period. Learning to intentionally starve the mTOR pathway to activate AMPK is the precise biological trigger that initiates the cellular cleanup process. The moment AMPK takes over, the cell deploys a specialized structure called the lysosome. This acts as a microscopic, heavy-duty garbage truck. It navigates through the murky cellular fluid, relentlessly tracking down the exact broken proteins and damaged mitochondria that have been cluttering the space. Once it corners the debris, the lysosome physically engulfs the waste, aggressively breaking it down into its core components. The trash is dismantled into raw, elemental materials, which the body immediately uses to construct vibrant, new cellular machinery. This internal recycling program means you are physically replacing degraded tissues with fresh components, making the body biologically younger. Translating this microscopic biology into a daily routine comes down to a highly actionable 3-step protocol to manually activate autophagy. Step 1 relies on the 16-8 fasting window, shown in this 24-hour cycle. Autophagy reaches its optimal peak around the 16th hour of zero caloric intake. Step 2 requires black coffee. Devoid of sugar or cream, coffee polyphenols act as a chemical accelerator. Step 3 is the deep sleep cleanse. You must enforce a strict rule of stopping all food intake exactly 3 hours before you go to bed. Honoring this boundary guarantees your body spends the night dedicating its energy entirely to deep cellular repair, rather than wasting those vital hours digesting dinner. The existence of autophagy proves that our bodies already possess a remarkable built-in capacity to heal from the inside out. Accessing this level of recovery doesn't require an expensive intervention or a magic pill. It simply requires the discipline to step out of the way and give your biology the time it needs to work. By intentionally mastering the fasting window and managing the biological toggle switch,